Unraveling the meanings of broadside, a dive into English expressions. Hello, dear language explorers. Welcome back to our channel, where we unlock the mysteries of English phrases and expressions. Today, we're going to dissect the term broadside. You might have heard it in various contexts, but what does it really mean? Is it a naval term, a form of criticism, or something to do with printing? Well, that's exactly what we are here to find out. So, let's set sail on this linguistic journey and discover the different facets of the word broadside. Broadside originally comes from a naval warfare term. In history, when a ship fired all the cannons on one side at once, it delivered a broadside. This powerful attack could cause devastating damage due to the concentration of firepower. But how did this term navigate its way into everyday English? Let's see in the next section. As with many historical terms, broadside eventually morphed into a metaphor. When someone delivers a broadside, it means they've given a strong verbal attack or a hefty criticism, much like the overwhelming impact of a ship's cannons. It suggests a direct, forceful, and often sudden confrontation, but don't worry, no cannons involved this time. Moving away from the tumultuous seas and battles, broadside also has a peaceful application in printing. Here, it refers to a large sheet of paper printed on one side only. Historically, broadsides were used for announcements, statements, or advertisements, and could be seen plastered over walls or handed out to passers-by. This usage might be less common today, but it's an important part of the word's heritage. To help our learners understand, let's look at how broadside can be used in sentences. The politician's speech delivered a broadside against the opposition party's policies. The critic's review was a broadside that left the movie's reputation in tatters. Walking through the square, I saw an old broadside advertising a circus from decades past. Notice how the context changes the nuance of broadside. It's all about the scenario in which it's used. And there you have it. Broadside can refer to a naval attack, a verbal onslaught, or an antique form of advertising. This rich term has sailed through history and into our modern language, showing the dynamic nature of English. We hope you enjoyed this linguistic voyage and added another expression to your treasure chest of vocabulary. Until next time, keep expanding your horizons, and happy learning!